Question number 16 is smoke an air pollutant? Answer. Smoke is a type of intense air pollution which is formed by the combination of smoke and fog. Smoke is a serious problem in many cities and continues to harm human health. Question number 17. The use of excessive fertilizers and pesticides leads to the deficiency of an important substance in water. Name the substance. Answer. The use of excessive fertilizers and pesticides may result into runoff from the fields into waterways. These fertilizers and pesticides act as nutrients for the algae to grow. These algae use up oxygen that fish and other animals need. It leads to the deficiency of oxygen in the water. Next, trees help in reducing pollution of our environment. A large number of trees are planted by the people in the month of July every year. This occasion is called A. One Mahotsav, B. Plantation Month, C. Forest Conservation Day, D. Wildlife Week. So answer is 1 Mahotsav. 19th question. It is said CO2 contributes to global warming. Explain. Answer. Global warming is caused by the emission of greenhouse gases. 72% of the totally emitted greenhouse gases is carbon dioxide, 18% methane, and 9% nitrous oxide. So, carbon dioxide is contributing most to global warming. Combustion of fossil fuels in vehicles, factories, and home produces CO2 in high amounts. The emission of CO2 has dramatically increased in the last 50 years and is still increasing by almost 3% each year. The carbon dioxide released in the atmosphere remains there for 100 to 200 years. So, the concentration of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere is increasing, which in turn is causing rise in the average temperature on Earth.
So we now have question before us whether carbon dioxide contributes to global warming. Global warming is caused by greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, etc. Major portion of the greenhouse gases is carbon dioxide. We are using vehicles where we use fossil fuels in the shape of petrol, diesel. We are also using coal at home. So it all is resulting into a large amount of carbon dioxide being produced. So the amount of carbon dioxide is increasing in the atmosphere day by day. It is stated that the carbon dioxide remains in the atmosphere for decades together. So when the concentration of carbon dioxide is increasing day by day in the atmosphere and these greenhouse gases act as a blanket for the earth and do not allow the heat to move out of the atmosphere. So this concentration of carbon dioxide is causing the average temperature on earth to rise.
Next question. Here is a mixture of various gases. One of the gas is 21% part of the air and is essential for the survival of human beings. This gas is called number 1 nitrogen, number 2 oxygen, number 3 ozone, number 4 argon. So answer is oxygen. Question number 21. Which of the following is not a source of air pollution? 1. Automobile exhaust. Number 2. Windmill. Number 3, burning of firewood. 4th, power plant. So answer is windmill. A windmill is a structure that converts wind power into rotational energy with the help of blades called sails or blades, especially for grinding grain, but the term is also extended to wind pumps, wind turbines and other applications. Question number 22nd. Ramesh wishes to contribute in reducing air pollution. Which vehicle should he use for going to school? A. Car, B. Auto rickshaw, C. School bus, D. Scooter. So answer is school bus. Question number 23rd. We can survive for some time without air, but we cannot survive even for a few minutes without food. Comment. Answer. False. We can survive for some time without food, but we cannot survive even for a few minutes without air. Next question. Carbon monoxide is produced by the complete burning of fuels such as coal, petrol, diesel. Comment. Answer. False. Carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide is produced by the incomplete burning of fuels such as coal, petrol, diesel. It is a very toxic gas that can kill persons sleeping in a room where coal is burning. Next question. The type of pollution which is likely to affect Taj Mahal in Agra to a greater extent is A. Air pollution, B. Water pollution, C. Soil pollution, D. Noise pollution. So answer is air pollution. Question number 26. The Kyoto Protocol is associated with one of the following: A. Reduction in the use of chlorofluorocarbons. B. Reduction in the cutting of forest trees. C. Reduction in pollution of fresh water sources. D. Reduction in the emission of greenhouse gases. So answer is reduction in emission of greenhouse gases. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.